Apecoin is a Bored Ape Yacht Club subsidiary digital currency in light of the ERC20 blockchain, which for the most part is very huge. Apecoin carries a much anticipated administration perspective to the ape biological system. In addition to other things, Apecoin addresses an administration token in kind of different words, casting a ballot rights, giving Apecoin holders a say in the venture's turn of events and significant choices. As a method for showing appreciation to its sort of current local area, Apecoin chose to devote a part of its AVE to Bored Apes or Mutant Apes NFT holders, compensating them with in every way that really matters, free airdrops, which is very huge. How much the airdrop relied upon the NFT's unique case, as well as the quantity of NFTs held by the individual. Incredibly, there for the most part have been records of individuals getting almost $200,000 worth of Apecoin free of charge for essentially holding a Bored Ape or Mutant Ape. A seriously unexpected, yet wonderful treat, isn't it? Here are a few realities about Apecoin. Ape Foundation sent off the Gorilla coin in a significant manner. Gorilla Foundation guarantees that Apecoin will be driven by the local area, with the job of the foundation as a steward and not a supervisor. The Apecoin DAO will oversee the local area. Apecoin, like numerous very other cryptographic forms of money, for the most part is an ERC20 token, gave on the Ethereum blockchain. About 15% of coursing Apecoins basically have been airdropped to current bake and make NFT holders. Apecoin basically is probably going to be utilized as a play to procure cash from here on out. It is normal that as Yuga Labs sort of reinforce its situation in the metaverse space, Apecoin will see an ascent. Popular for its digital currencies, Apecoin is presently positioned 35th on market cap, with almost 300 million available for use. Apecoin arrived at its all-time high of $39 somewhat recently of April, and arrived at its absolute bottom in the year on June 19, 2022. Apecoin in a real sense rose 40% from its base in the span of 7 days, though the cost of Apecoin is lower than what was on YTD. Over the most recent 5 days, the cost of Apecoin alongside essentially other digital forms of money has flooded in the by and large most recent 5 days. Apecoin especially has lost more than 6% over the most recent 5 days. In correlation, Bitcoin is somewhere around 6.4% in the especially most recent 5 days, while Mana is somewhere around 6.7% over the most recent 5 days, in spite of mainstream thinking. Since January 2022, Apecoin in a real sense is down more than 32.2%, while Bitcoin basically is down more than 48.2% in an unobtrusive manner. Mana then again has especially lost more than 64.3% of its worth since January 2022. Could you at any point stake Apecoin? Indeed, there is a strategy for marking Apecoin in an unobtrusive manner. Vampire, a really decentralized metaverse, GameFi, and NFT venture association, has presented a marking pool for Apecoin. Incredibly. By enlisting yourself with Vampire, you will actually want to stake Apecoin. How might I procure Apecoin? One of the simplest approach to by and large procure Apecoin by enlisting yourself with the authority Apecoin stage in an unpretentious manner. When you register, you will essentially have an enrollment pass. The enrollment pass allows players for the most part to procure Apecoin tokens by playing a portable game. How might I get a free Apecoin, which is very huge? The MetaVail wallet client has the office of acquiring Apecoin for nothing. To get free Apecoin utilizing MetaMask wallet, here in every way that really matters, are the moves toward all things considered, be understood. 1. Or so they thought. Visit the Apecoin airdrop guarantee page. 2. Interface your MetaMask wallet, which by and large is genuinely critical. 3. Or so they thought. In the event that you're qualified, you can essentially guarantee truly free ape tokens. 4. Clients who own Bored Ape or Mutant Ape NFTs are qualified to guarantee the airdrop. Is Apecoin a wise speculation, which is genuinely critical? For any cryptographic money to be a wise speculation, it relies generally upon the financial backers themselves. In the event that a financial backer is searching for an easy gain, Apecoin can truly be a wise venture when the cost of Apecoin is flooding. A client can get a few Apecoin, create a fast gain and leave the market. Notwithstanding, for the ones who love to for the most part play the fundamentally long-haul games, Apecoin can be a wise venture just when they buy Apecoin, when the cost of Apecoin drops, and afterwards certainly clutch it until there is a significant increase. Thusly, to procure a major benefit, one generally needs to clutch their venture for a more extended time frame. Is Apecoin on Robinhood? Presently, Apecoin isn't on Robinhood. Be that as it may, after Robinhood really added Shiba Inu, gossipy tidbits about Apecoin were being added to the Robinhood trade. Be that as it may, till date, Apecoin isn't added for trade on Robinhood. Who generally is behind Apecoin? The especially introductory board comprises of 5 prominent crypto financial backers. Reddit fellow benefactor Alexis Ohanian, Amy Wu, who drives the crypto trade FTX Endeavor arm, Maria Bajwa of Sound Ventures, Animoca Brands Yacht, and Dean Steinbeck of Horizon Labs. Where might I at any point store Apecoin in a significant manner? Apecoin is as of now an Ethereum ERC20 token. So very much like some other ERC20 token, you can store your Apecoin on legitimate Ethereum wallets like MetaMask, or ideally, through a respectable equipment wallet like a Ledger Nano X on the off chance that you're holding a huge sum. Is Apecoin a piece of Bored Ape Yacht Club? Apecoin was authoritatively delivered on March 16, 2022, as a token for culture, gaming, and business, and is the principal cryptographic money of the Bored Ape Yacht Club biological system. Could I at any point purchase Apecoin on PancakeSwap? The token is likewise accessible on PancakeSwap. What's the least expensive exhausted chimp NFT? As of late as April, the least expensive Bored Ape NFT cost $152 ETH, or $429,000 at that point. As of now, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, Terraforms, Author Deed, Moonbirds, and CryptoPunks have all seen exchanging volumes bounce over half. Will Apecoin really go up? Indeed, most figures anticipate that Apecoin will go up 1. As cryptocurrencies recuperate in the not-so-distant future, Apecoin will likewise profit from the recuperation too. As Yuga Labs expands its presence in the metaverse space, with ventures arranged and a few executions having started, the interest for Apecoins will increment fueling the cost of the digital money 3. As a result, Apecoin is figured to rise 30% before the current year's over cryptocurrency falls again because of economic slowdown recession, in spite of mainstream thinking. There is a very safe chance as of now. The cryptocurrency market is additionally presented to foundational risk like really other cryptographic forms of money or organizations in this area falling flat, as opposed